Everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. I'm going to go over the Author's Purpose Project Part 2 directions, which is for the informative article. So you are going to complete a research using Noodle Tools and the bibliography machine on a topic related to the options listed below, which I'll go over in a minute, to create an informative blog-style article that can be enjoyed by all of your fans, aka your classmates. It should be a minimum of 300 words in Times New Roman double-spaced, include an introduction, body paragraph or paragraphs, and a conclusion. It should have an eye-catching title as well as date and author, which would be you. This article should be typed in 12-point font, Times New Roman, and double-spaced, including an image that represents the content of your article in a location that can attract the reader's eye. Make sure to cite information that is original or that is not originally your own idea, such as paraphrased, quoted, or summarized information. From research, that proper credit is awarded to the author. You must have a minimum of 3 articles used for research for this assignment. So when I say a minimum of 3 articles used for the assignment, right now we are currently looking for 5 sources. That means, as in your options, it is stated that you must use 3 of the articles minimum, with 2 direct quotes and 2 examples of paraphrased information. So option 1 is to write an informative article on a particular division of our current military today, either in our country or another country, including their purpose/duty, stations/bases, and training regimen. Use specific details from research, including a minimum of 2 direct quotes and 2 examples of paraphrased information. Make sure to use citations for any information that is not originally your own idea, either summarized, paraphrased, or quoted from your research. Option 2 is to write an informative article on a particular organization that is working to protect the world's oceans from pollution. Make sure to include information related to the organization's founders, their achievements, and their mission for the future. Use specific details from your research, including a minimum of 2 direct quotes, 2 examples of paraphrased information. Make sure to use citations for any information that is not your own original idea, either summarized, paraphrased, or quoted from your research. Option 3 is to write an informative article on the author of your silent reading book. Make sure to include information related to their life as an author, their achievements as a writer, their inspiration for writing the book you are reading, and the authors they look to for inspiration. Use specific details from your research, including a minimum of 2 direct quotes and 2 examples of paraphrased information. Make sure to use citations for information that is not your own original idea, either summarized, paraphrased, or quoted from your research. Part 2 is going to be due on the 28th. Sorry, I got a pop-up on my computer. At 11:59 p.m. Part 2 is worth 10 points out of the 36 points total for your project. There is a bit of a breakdown as far as how this assignment will be graded. There, in this same folder for Author's Purpose, you will find the Author's Purpose Part 2 Research Sources worksheet. You're going to want to complete that. You're going to find 5 sources that you would like to use in your research for this assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'd be happy to help you. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.